In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to go ahead and do is go to search on the bottom, type in control. It's going to show up the control panel, so go ahead and click on that. Then just go to uninstall a program, which is on the bottom left. It's going to show every program that you have installed. So all you want to do here is go to the Microsoft Visual C++, and then you just want to go to the latest date that it was installed on. So in my instance, it's going to be right here, this one. So all I want to do is go and highlight it, then click on change, and then you don't want to uninstall it, you just want to click on repair. Then it's going to have a security pop-up, and then it's going to be processing right here. So just wait for this to finish, and then you'll be good to go. It's all going to be repaired, and you won't get any more errors. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future. But as you can see, it's all done, it's about to be, and then you'll be good to go.